It's an unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today it's an unboxing video. I ordered some stuff on Amazon a couple days ago, and it has come. It has came. That's what I meant to say. So we're just gonna get right into this unboxing no intro. It's been a while since I've uploaded, and I do have another plush video planned. So yeah. Okay, this is bubble wrap. I need like scissors or something. Okay, so I have my trusty scissors. Sorry if the lighting's really bad. My room is really dark. So first we're gonna open up this package. I have another box down here. But aha. Tear open. What? Ah! Scheist. Oh, I accidentally cut myself. That hurt. It says tear open on this. I did not see this. That makes sense. Oh ho! It's my new mic. This is my new gaming mic. It has like a tripod and like the cord and everything. This looks sick. I also ordered a screen recorder, and that might be in here. I'm not sure. Maybe two things might be in there because I ordered three. But yeah, so this is going to be in future Let's Plays. And if the screen recorder's in here, I might do a video tonight. I'm not sure. But yeah, screen recorder, super cool. Saw it and I'm like, I must have that. Yeah, it's all in that package. So we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay. I'm gonna do like more Fortnite videos and stuff. Just first, I gotta get a screen recorder for my Switch because that's all I can play Fortnite on a Switch because I have nothing else to play it on. I don't have PS4 or Xbox One or PC. Oh, come on, son of a gun. Oh, I love these things. I like stepping on them and popping them. Oh, I think two things came in here, I think. This is... Oh, shoot. HD video capture card. This is the screen recorder. I'm going to open it at the end of the video. And this is the mouse. It's a 3-button mouse for my computer. So I can just, like, play different games on it, and it's just going to make life easier. So, let's see here. Yeah, pretty simple mouse. I'm horrible at packaging these, as you can tell. If you couldn't tell already. This is triggering me so much. I hate this. Open. Okay. Sorry, this is really cringy, I know. The entirety of YouTube is, too, I mean, so what's the difference? Oh, finally! Jeez, forever. So, oh my god, this is really soft. It's a little small. You hear that? But it's really smooth. It's really soft. Oh my god, that is amazing, actually. That's a really good mouse. And I will be unboxing all these things on camera. I mean, yeah, I ripped open the packages, but I'm also going to be unboxing this and this. So I just unboxed the mouse. It's probably the least coolest thing that I bought, but I mean, it's still a mouse. So, next I'm going to open the mic. I'm going to save the screen recorder for last. Screen recorder, I don't know how much it was, but okay, so here we have the stand for it. It's kind of like a tripod stand. Oh, that's for the mouse. And then the cable to hook up into like the TV or Switch or whatever. I'm going to be using it for Switch and stuff. That's the only thing that I can play online other than the PlayStation. But I am going to try to talk a little bit louder. I just realized that the camera's a little far away. It's really, really cool. Like, I don't know what that was, but I'm putting the cover over right now. It's red. It looks kind of like a Santa hat. Ooh. Oh, that's slick. That is slick. I'm gonna completely set it up too. I'm gonna come. What the heck? Try to completely set it up. Okay. So it would be like this. So like this is how the mic looks. So I can be like this, and it's like foamed out and everything. So that's really cool. I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna need scissors for this probably as well. I don't want to cut myself again, you know. So cut myself again. Oh shoot. Sorry, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Just a little interruption there. Nothing big. Okay, I'm gonna point this knife. I'm tired, aren't I? I'm gonna point these scissors away from me, so I do not cut myself. Or I can just do this. I've opened packages like this before. Or I could do something like a pencil. I could do that with a pencil. I could have just done it with a pencil. Are you kidding me? This pencil's sharp enough. So it's my school pencil. Ah, okay. There we go. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's small. This is the package that it came in. This is the. So this is Oh, this is actually not the bad. Oh, so you have like a little record button there. You have the mic. Oh, that's cool. And then you have the USB host that you can plug in there, and then the output, input, and power. The cords are probably in here somewhere, I would assume. Yep, in this little box right here. That's just the box for it. It's actually in here. Yeah. So this is the. Oh, there's more cords. Oh, this is the actual disc. So this is the actual disc here. HD video capture. This is actual disc. I've never seen this before. Well, this is completely new to me. So this is actually really cool. I'll put that back in its case because I do not want that to get damaged. I would imagine this is the power. Ah! Yeah, that's the power. The plug-in and then the USB thing. Yep, the AC adapter. Oh, like a charger, I would assume. And then this would be like the power charger cord, everything there. Yeah, this is actually really cool. There's all three things here. I'm gonna have to put all of the trash away. I might want to keep the directions for the guide because I've never used one of those in my life. I'm probably gonna want to keep the box too, not this, like the box and stuff. So I'm gonna get all this put away. Okay, so I got most of the stuff put away, but I still have these cords. I still have the box, all the trash and stuff. So yeah, I'm not gonna do a room tour yet. As you can tell by the background, this is a new room. I'm in a new house right now, so I will do a room tour later, obviously when it gets cleaned up, because it looks like crap, like absolute crap. It's super messy. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.